LG 190 liters 4-star inverter direct cool single door refrigerator. Product information. Smart inverter compressor. Smart inverter compressor is designed to give unmatched performance, great savings, super silent operation and stabilizer-free operation. Star rating. Electricity bills will be the last thing on your mind. All LG refrigerators are as per energy efficiency standards by Bureau of Energy Efficiency, B. Smart Connect. The revolutionary Smart Connect technology helps you connect your refrigerator to home inverter in case of power cuts, thus providing you the convenience of storing food for long without spoilage. Moist and Fresh. A special lattice-type box cover which maintains moisture at an optimum level when moisture from stored food is evaporated and then condensed on the lattice. Fastest in ice making. A feature exclusive to LG Direct Cool refrigerators. Makes fastest ice in just 108 minutes. Base stand with drawer. LG Direct Cool refrigerators come with base stand drawer for extra storage to keep onion, potatoes and other vegetables. Toffaned glass shelves. Shelves made of toffaned glass are capable of holding heavy food items. These can take load as heavy as 175 kilograms as per LG internal test standards. Antibacterial gasket. Easy to clean, keeping food healthy and hygienic for longer periods. Stabilizer-free operation, 90V-310V. The LG Direct Cool refrigerators can operate at a voltage range of 90V-310V, which means your refrigerator can work without a stabilizer too. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.